How to manually control the exposure on iPhone camera. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on how manual you want to get, because you can still use the Apple built-in camera app, and you can tap on a subject like this to make it focus. So this little square is going to show up, and you can drag your finger or like slide it up and adjust the exposure, right? So you can bump it up or lower it down. So that is how you can do it temporarily. If you want this to be locked, just hold down on the square until it gets like locked in a place. You can see there at the top we have the auto exposure and autofocus lock, and now we can as well adjust the exposure by the slider, but this time it stays there because it's like locked in a place. So that is how you can do this through the built-in camera. If you need more, and that's pretty understandable, right? You can actually explore some third-party apps for the camera on the App Store. So I would recommend you to get the Final Cut camera, which has been developed by Apple, and you can get it for free on your device. And that camera gives you the ability to control the exposure, but it's fully manual, right? So it's not just, holding down the exposure in place or whatever, but you literally get a slider at the bottom. You can switch from automatic to manual, and you decide how it's going to stay. And that's just how it is. And it's much better for capturing the shots and, recording the videos in a much more professional method. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.